Want to change the language on your Nissan Leaf 2's infotainment system? This video walks you through the process step by step. The Nissan Connect system allows you to customize the display language for menus, navigation, and more. As of January 2026, the process remains consistent across most 2017 present models. Let's get started. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or accessory mode. On the infotainment screen, navigate to the Settings menu. The exact path is usually Settings System. Then select Language. You'll be using the touchscreen or a rotary knob, depending on your Leaf's trim level. Once in the Language menu, you'll see a list of available languages. Supported languages depend on your vehicle's region and software version, with options including English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Chinese, Arabic, and many others. Scroll through the list using the touchscreen or controls to browse all available options. Tap on your desired language to select it. The system will highlight your choice with a subtle glow. After selecting, the system will prompt you to confirm the change. Tap Yes to apply the new language setting. Confirm your selection by pressing the appropriate button on the touchscreen. This might take a few seconds as the system applies the changes. The display, menus, and voice prompts will now be in your chosen language. Sometimes the language might revert after a software update or battery replacement. If this happens, repeat the steps above. If the desired language isn't available, consider updating your Nissan Connect software via USB, Wi-Fi, or at your Nissan dealership. A system reset via the pinhole reset can also force default language settings. Not all third-party apps fully translate to the selected language. Critical safety alerts always remain in the vehicle's primary language. Voice command accuracy may vary depending on the selected language. Firmware updates can expand the available language options. As of 2026, newer models may feature AI-driven language detection. Check your software version to ensure the widest language selection is available. If you encounter issues, consult your owner's manual or contact Nissan Service for assistance. User forums like Reddit and mynissanleaf.com offer community-driven solutions. Over-the-air updates are becoming more common for adding new language packs. Nissan is expanding language support in response to global EV adoption. Integration with AI for automatic language switching and cloud-based syncing are future trends. By 2027, a unified language framework across all Nissan EVs is planned. Enjoy customizing your Nissan Leaf 2 with your preferred language.